You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this color. This is like either a dark red or a purple brown color. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as puce. Yes, it comes from the French word for flea, the insect. Puce, the French pronunciation, puce. But in English, it's pronounced as puce, a brownish purple color, puce. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.